Welcome. Good news. I have received my production PCBs, which I've been talking about in my previous videos. These are a little bit thicker, they're more rigid. Also, there was some modifications done on these boards. For example, thyristor connections were moved from here to here, names were changed, and some other slight modifications. But this is the final production board, which I have ordered about 50 pieces of them, and first 25 pieces are gonna be on sale. You can find all the information down below this video. So this is one of the strongest and power efficient version of the 2.4 Tesla BBMPulser 5B. You guys seen it in my previous videos, showing slightly going over the details about it and showing the power test as far as repel test, and I'll do some more videos. But basically this is my latest, one of the most power efficient and one of the strongest model. There is barely anything on this board that would heat up. It works very efficiently. All the energy that's consumed is converted into magnetic energy, magnetic pulsation from this coil. You can use, currently I have 0.6 millimeter attached to here, which will give you about 7-minute session time, and you can use 0.8 millimeter, you can use 1 millimeter, or even lower 0.5 or 0.3 millimeter coils. I do have pretty strong thyristor with this setup, so it will hold up to 1 millimeter coils. Later on I will be offering the kit, which will include all the components with the coil. All you're gonna have to do is solder it and test it, and basically place it in a case to finalize the project. So slightly we'll go over through it. Comes with voltmeter, which is show the capacitor bank charge. Has a built-in thermal protection with sound alarm, magnetic isolation. You don't have to use 4 capacitors. If you use only one, you can get about 1 Tesla output from it on the highest, between 0.3 Tesla to 1 Tesla. If you use 2 capacitors, you'll get 1.5 Tesla. With 3 capacitors, you'll get 2 Tesla on the highest, and with 4 capacitors, you can get 2.4. You'll get 2.4 Tesla with 0.6 millimeter strip coil. This PCB is the test PCB, and the production PCB is slightly different, so you won't have, for example, these wires in here, and they're already gonna be coming from here to here, and there are some other upgrades, but overall it'll look very similar to this kit right here. Alright guys, just want to let you know that I have them. First 25 will be on sale, so get yours while they're on sale. After that, price will go up slightly. I am still trying to keep the prices low to make it, keep it affordable for most of you, for all of you basically. I'm trying to help you out with assembly and building one of these. That's why I will be making more videos, probably 5 more videos, showing all the details how to assemble it. Just try to find some time, and I will. Alright guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.